see we got some power there, 100 watts out. Okay. Okay, now, one of the things also that's advantageous for using the, let's see, go back over here, I'm going to change cameras here real quick. Okay, one of the things that's also advantageous about using the L-network tuner is that because you only have one possible match and you have a low Q, you have low circulating currents and low loss, this provides the widest frequency bandwidth available before retuning is necessary. If you've ever tuned up your T-network or Pi-network tuner, you move off frequency 25 kilohertz and then the SWR is 2 to 1 again, and then you got to retouch the antenna tuner. That doesn't happen with an L network. You have a much broader matching range. Now, we haven't changed frequency on the rig. I'm going to show you here on the Orion 2 that we are still on 7200. I'm going to transmit. Our SWR is still just a hair over 1 to 1. Okay, now I'm going to actually, let's see, key this thing down. Let's see if I can hold this camera here. Yeah. Okay, now I'm transmitting. Now I am tuning up the band. We are going up the band, way up the band. Okay, we are now at 7298, and the SWR is 2 to 1. Okay, we're going to let go of the transmitter. Now I'm going to tune back down the band here. Back into this range. I'm going to hit the key again. Okay, now we're moving down the band. And let's see, that's 2 to 1 right there. Now let's have a look at what frequency we're on. 7137. So what we've done there is we have essentially covered the entire 40-meter phone band with our G5RV and the 238B at a 2 to 1 or less SWR when we had tuned it at 7.2 megahertz to start with. Of course, as you move upward in frequency, exponentially you will cover more of the band. I think it's safe to say that on 20 meters you probably will be able to cover at least that much territory or maybe more. Or, okay, well, I'll tell you what. Now that I had that thought, let's go to 20 meters. Why not go ahead and demo it rather than just talking about it? So we will go up here to about the middle. Let's see, the phone band is 150 to 350. So the middle of the phone band would be 250. All right, so we're back to, let's go back to bypass here. Let's see where our SWR is in bypass. Not too bad. Of course, the SWR on a G5RV, it's resonant at 20 meters, so it's pretty low to start with. Let's see, we'll kick this over to bypass 1. Let's see, maybe high Z2, like 1 looked pretty good. Let's see if we can tune this thing down. Move in the inductor knob. Yeah, that's against the, there we go, that's a little better. And there we go, down to about 1 to 1 right there, it looks like. Okay, now let's start here at about 14,250. Go ahead and, let's see, let's go ahead and kick the transmitter on. All right, now we are tuning up the band. And we are tuning up the band, and we are tuning up the band, and look at this. That SWR is not even moving, and we are all the way at the top of the phone band, 14,349. And now we are going to tune this baby all the way back, down, 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 past 250, past 200, 180. Look at this, all the way down to the bottom of the 20-meter phone band, 14,150. SWR flat as a board. That's the magic of an L network tuner versus using a Pi or a T, that you won't have to tune it again when you move up and down the band. Okay, so we have more information on the 238B posted to our webpage. We have a pictorial of the configurations of the tuner. I will show you on this piece of paper. This is actually a print from our webpage that has the 5 possible configurations of the tuner when you switch the bypass and high Z, low Z knobs up and down, that you can understand how the 238 works. There is a general specification page that indicates the circuit type, power rating, etc. This antenna tuner is rated to 2,000 watts CW, meaning that you will have no problem running full legal limit with it in SSB and CW. 1.8 to 30 megahertz. The matching range is 3,000 ohms maximum at full power, so it's a very wide range tuner to say the least. There's probably not much that you can come up with that you won't be able to match with this. You are welcome to give us a call at 800-833-7373 or drop us an email at sales@tentec.com. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you have about the 238B tuner or any of the other products that we sell. Please join us next Thursday at 4 o'clock, an hour earlier than usual, when we will do a guided tour of the circuit board surface mount manufacturing capability that we have when manufacturing our HF transceivers, receivers, etc. 73 from me, Scott Robbins, W4PA.